Namaskar. Welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, let us learn something about money market instruments. Money market deals with a series of instruments which can be of three classes. 1. Government instruments, banking instruments and trade instruments. Government instruments to raise funds to meet temporary needs or to supply funds to the money market. The government either issues or buys treasury bills, dated securities, bonds, government paper, etc. The central bank of the country sells and buys the government securities on behalf of the government in money market. Government usually borrows from the money market by issuing treasury bills. The maturity of treasury bills vary between 15 days to 1 year. Trade instruments. They are bills of exchange, commercial paper, intercorporate deposits, short-term bonds, money market mutual funds. Bills of exchange are the instruments that facilitate short-term fund requirements of the trade. The duration range from 1 month to 6 months, but 3 months bills are very popular in the field of trade and business. These are popular as trade bills or commercial bills or bills of exchange. Commercial paper are the promissory notes with a fixed maturity period. They are issued by the corporate enterprises to meet short-term fund requirements. The maturity ranges between 15 days to 1 year. Intercorporate deposits are between business enterprises in the corporate sector. In times of need, they deposit or accept such deposits from other corporate entity. Short-term funds, short-term bonds, they are usually issued by the government and quasi-government bodies, sometimes autonomous financial institutions for a short duration. Money market mutual funds. Short-term surplus funds are invested in money market mutual funds. Banking instruments. Call loans. Banks extend a very short-term loans for 24 hours to 15 days to other banks, corporate enterprises, etc. They are called call loans because they call back the loan from 24 hours to 15 days anytime. Term loan instruments, they are issued for more than 15 days. Certificate of deposits. Banks issue certificate of deposits to raise short-term funds for 15 days to 1 year. It is also more or less intercorporate or interbank activity. Participation certificates. Banks share their credit assets with other banks or institutions by issuing participation certificates. Now, let us look into a model test. How you get in the exam, how you get questions in the exam. Dash is a money market instrument. Answers: A. Bill, B. Equity shares, C. Debentures, D. All these. Correct answer: bills. Second question: Dash is the shortest duration money market instrument. A. Bonds, B. Trade bills, C. Call loans, D. T bills. Correct answer: C. Call loans. In India, Dash issues treasury bills to meet temporary fund requirements of the Government of India. A. Ministry of Finance, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. SBI, D. All these. Correct answer: B. Reserve Bank of India. Next question: Dash are the instruments that facilitate short-term fund requirements of trade. A. T bills, B. Call loans, C. Bonds, D. Bills of exchange. Correct answer: D. Bills of exchange. Dash issues certificate of deposits to raise short-term funds for 15 days to 1 year. They are A. RBI, B. SEBI, C. Banks, D. MNCs. Correct answer: C. Banks. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. All the best. God bless you.